A Bitcoin wallet is your digital tool for managing Bitcoin. It allows you to store, send, and receive BTC by holding the private keys that access your funds on the blockchain. The wallet itself doesn't store the Bitcoin, just the keys. There are several types of wallets. Software wallets are apps for mobile devices like Trust Wallet or desktop like Electrum. They're easy for beginners, but can be vulnerable to malware. Hardware wallets are physical devices such as Ledger Nano S that store your keys offline, providing maximum security for long-term storage. Web wallets like Coinbase Wallet are browser-based and convenient, but riskier due to online exposure. The key distinction is between hot wallets, which are connected to the internet for frequent transactions, and cold wallets, which are offline for secure storage. To set up a wallet, first research and choose one from official sources like bitcoin.org. For beginners, try Blue Wallet or Coinbase Wallet. Download from official sources to avoid malware. Install the app and create an account. You'll generate a wallet address, which is your public key, and a recovery seed phrase of 12 to 24 words. Crucially, never share your private key or seed phrase. Store the seed offline on paper or metal in a secure location. Enable two-factor authentication, use strong passwords, and back up your seed. For hardware wallets, connect the device via USB and initialize it with a PIN. First, you'll need to acquire some Bitcoin. You can buy it from cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance or Coinbase using fiat currency, such as USD. Once you've purchased Bitcoin, transfer it to your new wallet using a QR code or by entering your wallet address. To receive Bitcoin, simply share your public address with the sender. To send Bitcoin, enter the recipient's address, the amount you want to send, and the transaction fee. Consider using the Lightning Network for faster and cheaper transactions. After sending, confirm the transaction using blockchain explorers like mempool.space. Transactions can take 10 to 60 minutes on the main Bitcoin blockchain, while Lightning Network transactions are much faster, often completing in seconds. Fees typically range from $10 to $10 per transaction. Remember that public keys are like email addresses, safe to share, whereas private keys are like passwords, which must be kept secret. The blockchain ensures immutability. Before using real Bitcoin, it's wise to practice on a testnet to familiarize yourself with the process without risking any real money. Bitcoin wallets are becoming increasingly user-friendly and secure. So dive in, stay informed, and enjoy the world of cryptocurrency.